Today I'm looking at this awesome product from Drill Brush. As the name implies, these are brushes that hook directly into your cordless drill. I guess it could be corded, but I use a cordless drill to make it easier. And it saves you a lot of the effort from doing all the manual scrubbing. Now, the cool thing about these kits is they come color keyed to specify kind of the softness or firmness of the bristles. They go all the way from soft all the way up to a really firm one that you can use for your grill. Now, today I'm looking at the white and the yellow kits, the white being the softest that they have. And if you take a look, it actually says that the white is recommended for wheels, carpet, upholstery, glass, and leather on your vehicles. And the yellow is for bathroom, bathtub, shower, porcelain, and tile. So that's going to give you an idea of how the softness and what it's recommended to use. But of course, you're going to try yourself and do a little bit of trial and error to find out what's the proper one for you. But at least the colors give you an indication of what to start with whenever you go to get one of these kits. Now, I love using, you can see they come with 3 different attachments. So this is the white. I've used this one quite a bit. So some of the colors a little not as bright a white, but you can see you've got this round flat disc. You've got, now this is the color that it typically is. I like to use this one for floor mats. It doesn't get as dirty. So a smaller one. And then you've got this cone size one. This is really great for getting in those wheels. And that's what I use this kit for. Now the yellow, I like to use this one if you have a boat. I'm telling you, this is fantastic. So my boat has these steps in it that have these textured nubs to walk on so it's not slippery. And before I would have to manually get in and scrub those, but this really comes in clutch to clean those out. And as I said, you can go all the way up from down from the softest up to the firmest being for grills and things like that. But to give you an idea, the green is great for kitchen, stoves, cabinets, counters, linoleum. Blue, boats, pools, kayak, hot tubs, plastic. Red is really stiff for outdoor siding, brick, garage, and gutters. And black, grills, loose paint, furnaces, ovens, and industrial. So check out the Drill Brush and save yourself a lot of effort and really get, honestly, whatever you're looking to clean, spick and span.